And in this tutorial, I will show you how to withdraw money from eToro. First, go to the withdraw funds and click on it. A page will load where you need to choose which account you want to withdraw from. In my case, I will select USD since that is where I have money available. Next, enter the amount you would like to withdraw. For example, I will type in $35. You will also see what percentage of your portfolio value that amount represents along with how much is available to withdraw. Once you have entered the amount, click Next. Review all the details to make sure everything is correct. Then click Submit. Your withdrawal will be processed. And once it is complete, the funds will appear in your money wallet. From there, you can transfer the money to your bank account. And that's it. It's really simple. Thank you for watching the video.